Open source has proven that it's possible to bring thousands of people together, people that have never met before, and produce production-grade, high-quality software. I think that's what's really interesting to businesses. It's not about being open or being closed. It's just about building software in the best, fastest way possible. GitHub has taken the open source world by storm, but it's not just about open source, it's about software development. We want to help businesses use the same tools and the same workflows that developers already love to build their software better. We meet with a lot of companies and we talk to them all the time about software development, and there are two themes that have been coming up a lot lately. A de-emphasis on infrastructure and an emphasis on communication. No one wants to worry about the platform upon which they build their software. They just want to worry about the software. And people don't want to worry about running around an office trying to find someone to do a code review. They just want it to work really naturally. So we focus on workflows, and we want to make those workflows available in any environment that you choose. People are different. We want GitHub to work anywhere. We want to come to you. Whatever your preferred ecosystem is, we want GitHub to work and to be the best way to do it there. We've been talking to a lot of customers, and a lot of them are moving to AWS. It's one of the best pieces of modern infrastructure available, and we want GitHub to be right there.
GitHub Enterprise is GitHub for your business. We built it from the ground up, and one of the most significant features that it has is the ability to deploy on AWS, which allows you to deploy it where you're most comfortable. GitHub on AWS improves the lives of administrators because it enables them to focus on what they're good at. The administrators don't have to focus on the hardware aspects, the networking aspects, which frees them up to focus on the things that are important to their business and to deliver value to their customers.
This is our biggest release of GitHub Enterprise to date. Not only have we included support for Amazon Web Services, but we've added a number of features around code review, project management, software deployment, and authentication and security to give your company the ability to have the best way to build software on the best software infrastructure. We've included support for SAML, specifically for identity providers, OneLogin, Ping Identity, Shibboleth, and Okta. We've also expanded our support for LDAP services, giving people more options if they're using that method as well. If you're in an industry that's really compliant intensive, be that government's FedRAMP or healthcare's HIPAA, AWS is certified for all of those, which means that you can maintain the security and data privacy that's required by your industry, but at the same time you can use a really modern developer tool set and a really modern developer platform so that you can actually deliver software in a rapid and streamlined way.
GitHub on AWS allows you to scale your GitHub install as your business grows. You can start out with just 50 seats, and then you can increase it to 1,000 or a couple thousand as your needs change. You don't have to order servers anymore. You can just issue a few API calls and provision a new instance within minutes.
Delivering high-quality products to your company's consumers isn't something that just happens magically. Code quality doesn't appear out of nowhere. Teams working together efficiently isn't something that just happens overnight. And so what we're really trying to do is give our customers the best software development tool set so that they can deliver high-quality, amazing products to their customers.
We think social coding is the future of building software, and we think the cloud is the future of deploying software. So GitHub Enterprise on AWS brings the development workflow that people already know and love to the infrastructure and deployment platform they already know and love. It just makes sense.